we're looking at today is the helicopter that's involved in the log boom installation. There'll be all in all 9 lifts of the log boom sections that'll drape down firstly the right abutment, across the dam proper, and then up the left abutment. So things are nice and settled down, good lifting conditions for the helicopter aviation wise, and very good connection conditions for the fellas on the ground, not so much debris etc. With the downdraft and all those sorts of things.
So we've got the McDermott Aviation in. So they've got 8 of these Bell 214 helicopters. So they're pretty good operators in that. They're based in Queensland. I'm a graduate engineer on the Enlarged Cotter Dam. So I've been working with 2 other people mainly on this. So John Mullins, who's the foreman, and Raza Saeed, who's the project engineer on this log boom installation. So my job's pretty much been helping them out, making sure everything's going to plan, getting all the paperwork, sort of just helping out, getting everything ready. Mostly got a plan around, well, McDermott Aviation, they look into all the wind, everything like that, and they're happy with sort of the conditions to work. We have to look into pretty much all your load capacities on, is this log boom section going to be able to lift it, so your weights on that. Also had to pour the anchor blocks so that everything would be ready for connecting it up. We built the whole thing from the kit that we got from America, and made sure it was all properly put together so that when McDermott came today, all they had to do was pick it up and put it in place. So they're floats with a 600mm screen on it. So the float floats up, the screen sits on the bottom, and any logs or anything that's coming along will get trapped. So that's the basic idea of it. And then you come along with a boat or something later and pick out your logs that you want, take them out to your mill and machine them up. So it's about 530 metres was the original design, and the anchors are on each, so we've got 4 anchors, we've got 2 anchor blocks on the abutments, we've got 2 in-water anchors as well, which are currently on dry land because the dam hasn't filled up. So it's just based on the weight of the anchor block, so that we've got such a high mass of concrete that it'll stop the pull out of the log boom from the forces of the water. Yeah. And the boat gate is pretty much designed so that you don't have to break your log boom in any sections, so that you can get boats through. So the centre buoy you can see in it, so there's 5 buoys, the centre buoy actually just pulls out and then you can drive a boat through it. So it's designed for sort of a similar boat to what's being driven down there now by Steve. So it's not for big commercial boats or anything like that, it's just so that you can access the upstream face of the dam.